want to commend Triple C Manufacturing Limited on the launch of this innovative, creative, and truly groundbreaking line of canned food. And again, agriculture is food. And what we see here is a testament to commitment to agriculture, commitment to enterprise, it's a testament to hard work, it's a testament for thinking about how can you come up with new things that can move Jamaica forward. It's a testament to food security, and we all will have to think about if the world closes its borders again, what will we eat and how will it be prepared? And products of this nature are exactly what we will have to focus more attention on. It's a testament of how creative we are as a people. And clearly, as you have heard, it's also a testament of a good love story. As the world evolves, convenience becomes almost non-negotiable. People are looking for ready-to-eat products, things that they can, which is what the world is clamoring for. And I remember that there was a time that people said, canned akis won't work. That nobody now going to want a canned aki. Put aki in a can, no sir. But obviously the aki have come out of the boil. Now, we export over 30 million United States dollars each year in aki.
This product has been in the making from 2009, where we actually, in collaboration with SRC, launched the canned mannish water. Challenges were there. We overcome those challenges and we are relaunching that. From the canned mannish water, now we actually go into the canned curried goods.
Excellent initiative by Colin and his team to have tin curried water and tin mannish water. These are probably two of the most favorite Jamaican meals, and if we can tin this, provide the opportunity for export, because there are as many Jamaicans outside of Jamaica who would love products like this.
The chef, whoever formulated this curry good, they can really cook. They got that level of spice, you know, where it's the pepper, you taste the real Scotch bonnet pepper with the curry flavor and their little specks of carrot and stuff. Yeah man, it's a real way how Jamaicans do curry good. They got it down to a T.
It has been a great experience. I have tasted it more than once, and as far as I'm concerned, restaurants and other places that normally do curry good, they have to watch out, because this is really authentic Jamaican curry good.
Sweet Jamaica, we not live here. I am cheers curry good, and mannish water. Sweet Jamaica, we can't live here. I am cheers curry good, and mannish water. Everybody come on island. Cheers, tell a friend about the island. Cheers, me and two in the island. Cheers, this a pretty nice man. Sweet Jamaica, we not live here. I am cheers curry good, and mannish water. Catch the flavor.